Hi guys, if you are tired of your Pinterest account and you want to delete it just like me, I'm going to be showing guys how you can delete your Pinterest account in a few steps. And this is a new update guys. All you have to do is follow these simple steps and you will be able to delete your Pinterest account. Let's get started right now. Now what you want to do guys, of course, is to open your Pinterest app. Now after that guys, you want to click on your profile picture at the very bottom right. Now, after you click on your profile picture at the very bottom right, you want to click three little dots in the top right. And you want to click on settings. Now, a few different options will come up here. You want to click on privacy and data. And then you will find again a few different options. You want to scroll down and you will see here delete your data and account. Okay. You want to click on delete your data and account. And you want to click on continue. Now it says here delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent, means you won't be able to get your pins or browse back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted, so make sure you want to delete your Pinterest account. Now after you are sure that you want to delete your Pinterest account, they are going to send you an email. It's like a confirmation where they can make sure that you really want to delete your Pinterest account. If, as you can see, the name of my Pinterest, if you are ready to live forever, we'll send you an email with the final step to this email. Click on continue and tell them the reason why you are leaving. Just say, for example, I want a business account, or I accidentally made another account, or I am getting too many emails, or click other. You better select other, click send email, and now go to your email and click on that link, like check the email and click on that link, and you will be able to delete your Pinterest account permanently. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.